All right, we are going to the next level. So already you can see that the road and the greeneries is done here. The house is here. Now we are going to put a greeneries here. So taking the color and putting the greeneries in a far distance. So putting more color to give it a nice depth. Okay. So if it's not the the darker color, you can add little bit dark color to mix it up within the canvas and make the greeneries looks more darker. So that's why I'm adding little bit black color within the greeneries. You can see that adding up because it's a moonlit sky night, and the things you're going to see are supposed to be darker. Okay, so putting something in the background here. In the ground level, let's make it straight. Making it straight with the darker color. Awesome. For the moon here, we're going to use the white color, and you can see that already there's a white color in that place. So we're just trying to make it bigger, so adding little bit more white, and you can see the circle is having little bigger shape and nice depth. Okay, just putting the brush, okay, all around it. So in this case, if there are some glares outside the moon, then you can just putting it like the straight lines sometimes. So if it's not mixing up well, because it's a background which is the solid wood, so sometimes the mixing may not be well. So the surface, it's kind of rough here. So in that case, you can mix it up with the water and try to put the brush strokes again within the water, and always try to the disperse or the make it little bit wider in around it, all the way up and down. Awesome. So after doing that one, if you just like to put some stars, then put the dots here like this one. You can see some dots are bigger, some dots are going to be smaller because of the reflections of the light. You cannot see, like it's a little bit visible right now. Okay, let's see. Sometimes we need to make it, let's see. Now it's a little bit clear in your visual point. Okay, so we're going to use the white color just to make it the stars here. Okay, so in the horizon, there are some types of taller trees we're going to draw. So in that case, we're just making it the tall lines up here, just trying to draw this taller line with a straight brush strokes. So putting it like this. So maybe we're going to put three of them. So there's the 1, 2, and the third one is coming up. Okay, so after putting that one, just put the cross here to show the trees. All right, see the crossings. Okay, so the trees are visible in a far distance. Also, you can draw another trees on the right side. So in this corner, so going to draw the other one. Okay, those are the particular scenery elements. Just making the painting nice, really looks nice. And the smaller details, awesome. So this is how the some small details just making your drawing very nice. Okay, so for the road network, in some places just making it deep within the black color, just for the night sky, just emphasizing the black color a little bit in some parts. That's why putting some black color strokes very lightly on the sides of the road. you know Awesome. So the house here, you can see this is not fully details, so we need to do some details here in this case, and that's why we're just using a little bit black color for the outlines of the house details. So this is the pitched rooftop, you can see just coming up here. Okay, so the pitched roof. Awesome. And you can see another one here. Okay, putting the shape. This is the balcony extensions on the side, and you can see the straight lines coming from the top. Okay, coming from the top, so few straight lines you can see here, just to defining the home in a nice presentations. Okay, so this is on the side of the house. Okay, and you can see the base. I'm just putting some darker colors into the base here. So those are some, you can see the sides, and putting the doors and windows. So there's the doors here. Let's see, putting the black color for the doors, and also you can see the windows here, small one, so square black, and another one you can see here. So very small details, so you have to be careful. Looks good, and the house is nice. The whole drawing, it's looking good. So let's see, there's the presentations of the drawings, and because of the reflections, maybe sometimes it's not clearly visible, but it's a rural landscape scenery. You can see the green fields, the paddy fields, and the village in a far distance with the taller trees, the moon on the sky, and the house here. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Please browse through the playlist and go through the categories. You can see in our playlist there are lots of drawings in different categories, so you can have lots of choices. And also subscribe our channel and stay tuned. See you in our next videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.